My name is Madeline Harmon, and I'm a spiritual healer, spiritual teacher, and CEO of Saving Grace Healing Services. I'm here to talk to you about my energetic clearing service of all forms of environments, whether it be a home environment, office, corporate environment, such as a high-tech environment, a hotel, hospital, or any other type of environment. I provide the service of clearing out all negative energy and replacing it with light, bright, positive energy. You always know when you walk into an environment that's filled and saturated with negative energy. Because the moment you walk in, suddenly you feel tired, you can't breathe, the weight of the world has just dropped on your shoulders, and it just feels icky. Okay. And this is an environment that is saturated with negative energy. And sometimes you might even find yourself walking into an environment that is also filled with the energy of violence and abuse. This, however, feels very different. Not only does it feel heavy and awful, you'll get a headache, maybe even a migraine. You might have suddenly have stomach issues. Your sciatica or pain will shoot down your legs from your hips. That's when you know that you've actually entered into an environment that's saturated with not only negative energy, but violent and abusive energy. Definitely want to get all that cleared out. And you might even walk into an environment that has some metaphysical kind of negativity associated with it. So it might have ghosts, entities, dark magic. That just feels weird. And you won't understand maybe how you're feeling. All you'll know is that you need to leave right now. So I do advise moving out of that any and all of those type of negative environments as quickly as possible. So I have the ability to clear all of that out, all forms of negativity, and backfill the environment with beautiful, light-filled, vibrant energy, which will make you feel amazing. You'll feel empowered, confident, like you can take on the entire world. It's amazing feeling, and I just love doing this. This is such an amazing service. So if this is something that is of interest to you and you wish to discuss this further with me or discuss it with me, I have all of my information below, so feel free to DM me, email me, call me. I offer free consults, phone consults, Zoom consults. Let me see if I can help you out. So, thank you for listening, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a wonderful day.